Okay, today I'll be showing you how you can be able to connect your cards to your Bitget wallet. Okay, without wasting much of our time, let's go. Okay, and before you can be able to withdraw, get some tasks need to be completed. Okay, make sure you complete enough tasks, and then you must have passed the OG, one of the criteria for you to meet up with the card withdrawal, or you make a turn transaction of about $1.1 worth of the transaction, okay, for you to be eligible. I've done that. Okay, I've gotten 2,000 cards added to my balance before making it 12,000. Okay, the OG pass is located below. If you complete any of this transaction down here, you'll be eligible. So let me take you to the withdrawal part. Okay, you see, it said you are now eligible. Immediately I made the transaction, it said you are now eligible, so I can withdraw my cards now. Okay, so if I want to continue with Bybit, you click on withdraw, Bitget, sorry, and if I want to change, okay, this is it. Let's change this. You continue. Okay, you open your Bitget. Okay, okay. You click on your assets. You click on your assets. Once you click on your assets, you click on add funds. Okay, you click on deposit. Then you search for cards. Search for cards. You see it here. Okay, it's already on Toncoin. Since it's on Ton blockchain, it doesn't need you asking for memo or tags. Okay, then you copy the address. Then you head back to your Telegram. Click on Bitget. Then you send here. Yes, I have it. Then you click on deposit. You paste your address here. Then to get your UID, that is the user identity code. You head back. Click on home. Click on this icon that is here at the top. Then you copy it immediately after your username. You click on it here. Then you come here. You paste it. You paste it here. Then you click send. Okay. Okay, then you say withdraw. Now it is now showing pending. Okay, pending, but if you still want to change to other exchange, you can still click on change. Okay, that is it. That's how it's been done. Remember to subscribe to the channel.